Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing that how you can actually screen record your iPhone 16 Pro Max in iOS 18. What you need to do is there are two sides of screen. The one is on the left side and the other is on the right side. If you swipe down from the left side, a menu of notification will come up. Okay, if you swipe down from the right side, this is the control center of an iPhone. If you see on the top left corner, there is a positive sign button. You need to tap on this button and a screen will go like this, that you can delete or add or adjust different options accordingly by just tapping on it, and you can move it around. If you see below, there is an add a control option. You just need to tap on add a control, and these are the options which you can add into your control central panel. If you see that iPhone has given the built-in option to screen record, which is just like this. You just need to tap on it and it will automatically come to your control center menu just like this. So as I have done it before, so I am actually deleting the current adding menu. So you just need to tap over here, and this is how your screen recorder will come up. You just need to tap on it and it will start a timer like this, and your screen is actually started to record, and all of the data within your phone will be recorded into photo section. You can actually extract the data from there. So that's how you can actually screen record your iPhone 16 Pro Max. I hope this video will help you out in your recording experience, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next video, bye bye.